gentlemen, this is Autel IM508. Today I'll be working on 2018 Dodge Charger. I want to program this key to it. The owner has a key that's a bit damaged, So I just want to make a new key for the car. So for this particular model, you will need to get access to the security gateway. From there you can actually start to access the car, or else you might not be able to do so, as you can see from the video that is being showed here. So we'll try and access the secure gateway, which is probably located around here. To access the secure gateway, to cut this panel, lose these two screws, then we'll take this one off. Now, for taking this one out, you can see that's the secure gateway. I don't know if you can see it properly yet. Yes. So I've taken out this cable for the secure gateway, and I'll have to connect my cable to it.
Okay, just like this.
Okay. So there's the 12+8 cable. Just pass it. Easy to pass it. Okay. So we are done. Bypass. So the ignition is turned on. We are doing an image status scan. So if you turn the ignition off, put the hazard light, it's permanently off. So I have to pause the video for the 10-minute wait. Okay. Right. Let's remove our laptop and phones. How about yours? It will leave it, don't worry. Yes. So correct number of key learned is successful. Do you want to learn another one now? So emergency flashers are still on. So number of keys is 3. It was initially 2. Number of keys is 3. So I guess you are done with the programming of this car. Okay. So I will have to remove the bypass cable. I will have to start the car with this new key that was programmed. But as you can see, you can actually unlock. This is the new key that I just programmed now. Unlock. And the old one too. Meanwhile, there was a third one. So all previous working keys are still working. So what I need to do, let me disconnect the cables, the bypass cable, and start the car. So I have to take out the bypass cables. Bypass cable is currently off now, so this is the key. Okay, other keys have been taken out. Okay, this is the only key that is in the car now. See, you can actually start. Okay, door is open. I wanted to test the remote start function. The hood is open. Let me go and shut the hood. Go and shut that. Yes. Okay. So that's the remote start function. So car start remotely. something. So this is Azan Arrest Auto. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Facebook page. Thank you for watching.